Roblox won't update on your iPhone, no matter what you try. It stops you from playing the latest games and features. This usually happens because of low storage, network issues, or app store problems. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Roblox update issues on your iPhone. So let's get Roblox updated right now. Before doing anything else, turn off the Do Not Disturb mode and Low Power mode. Then make sure you have a stable internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Now try airplane mode on and then turn it back off. After that, try these advanced solutions. Solution 1. Free up the iPhone storage. First, open up the Settings app on your iPhone. Then tap General. Next, tap iPhone Storage. Remove unwanted large files or unused apps from here. Tap on the app you want to remove. Then tap on Delete App. Finally, tap the Delete app again. Solution 2. Sign out and then sign back into iCloud. This can refresh the connection between your device and the App Store. So, open up the Settings app again. After that, tap on the Apple ID profile name. Now scroll down to the bottom. Tap Sign Out. Then follow all the prompts to sign out. And once signed out, tap Sign In to your iPhone. And then enter your Apple ID and password again. If you are still facing the same problem, then follow the next solution. Solution 3. Uninstall and reinstall the Roblox app. Press and hold on the Roblox app. Tap Remove App. Then tap Delete App. Again, tap Delete. Now go to the App Store, tap on the search icon, tap Roblox. Here you can see the Roblox app. Tap on it. Then you will see the install icon. Tap on it and wait for a while, and it will be installed. Solution 4. Reset network settings. Open Settings. Tap General. Scroll down. Then tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. After that, tap Reset. Now tap Reset network settings. This will reset settings like Wi-Fi passwords, but won't delete your data. Then enter the passcode of your iPhone if it asks. Tap Reset network settings again. After you have successfully reset your network settings, go ahead and check whether your problem is solved or not. And that's it. Hope your Roblox won't update problem is solved by now. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to hit that like button, and if you have any kind of questions, then ask me in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.